Hey guys, Christina here from The Main Objective, and it's clearly wash day, hence the towel and clips here. And for today's wash day, I'm going to be trying the tgin Curls and Roses collection. So unless you've been social distancing from social media, then you know that tgin dropped a brand new collection and it is fire. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a demo. I'm going to get rid of whatever is going on here. We're gonna fix this with Curls and Roses, and I'm gonna just walk you step by step through my process for using these products. I cannot wait to wash this hair. This is a whole mess atop my head, so let's get started. First things first, we've got the Rosewater sulfate-free hydrating shampoo. If you love a good shampoo, you'll definitely love this one. It's great for gently lifting those cuticles to let moisture get in, while simultaneously removing all that dirt, oil, debris, gunky stuff that can really prevent our hair from being truly hydrated. I know y'all already know this, but I'm saying it anyway. If you're gonna shampoo, you gotta deep condition. And so I followed up my shampoo with the Rosewater hydrating hair mask. And let me just tell you this. If you like the tgin Honey Miracle hair mask, you are going to love the Rosewater mask. It's super hydrating, super nourishing, has tons of slip, feels amazing, and just gives my hair so much good moisture. Like, I love this stuff. After letting the deep conditioner sit for 30 minutes with gentle indirect heat, I rinsed with warm water, actually very warm water, and proceeded to go in with the Rosewater Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. Typically, I would do my rinse out and leave-in application process in the shower, but I'm not taking y'all in the shower with me. Like, I just cannot get into that at all. So here we are. This is where things take a little bit of a twist. Normally, I jump from leave-in straight to the gel for my wash and go, but with the Curls and Roses collection, I found that I actually really enjoy my results when I use the Rosewater curl defining mousse and the gel together. As you guys saw, I didn't take too much time distributing the mousse throughout my hair. It's really just like an intermediate step, but I do go in after that with my trusty Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush and the Rosewater curl defining styling gel to create the definition that I really like to see in my wash and go styles. So my wash and go girls, y'all are probably wondering if there's an actual difference between this gel and the tgin Curl Bomb gel. The answer is yes. They go on the hair very differently, they have very different textures, and they produce very different results in the end. The Curl Bomb gel, which I love, it's actually one of my favorite gels, it's more stiff and applies on the hair heavier, but dries with less of a gel cast. On the other hand, this Rosewater gel, it's a lot lighter in consistency. It's more jelly-like. It's not as stiff as Curl Bomb. It applies to the hair lighter, which kind of leaves you with more voluminous results on day one. But at the same time, it has more of a gel cast when it dries. Now that I done over voice recorded and ran into my results, let's get into them. I'm applying a little bit of the tgin Smooth and Hold green tea and aloe edge control to my edges. No, I don't actually know how to lay my edges that well, but it's fine. We're gonna ignore that and get into these poppin' curls. These are my day one results after I gently stretched the roots with my blow dryer and banded the length for a little more elongation. I love the volume. My hair typically never looks this full on day one, but I also don't feel like I had to compromise and sacrifice definition. So job well done, tgin. This Curls and Roses collection definitely gets the Main Objective stamp of approval. For my full review on the tgin Curls and Roses collection, visit mainobjective.com. The Curls and Roses collection is available exclusively at Ulta. So shop today at ulta.com. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you have any questions about the Curls and Roses collection or anything you saw in this video, leave your comments below. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time.